You may have heard that some PPFs turn yellow, white, or even into sticky goo after just a short time. This phenomenon is called hydrolysis. Simply put, when PPF is exposed to moisture for a long time, water molecules react with the film, breaking down its molecular chains until the entire film disintegrates. The result: yellowing, whitening, and eventually complete failure. Why does hydrolysis happen? Two main reasons. First, the raw material. Cheap films use polyester-based TPU, whose ester groups are especially vulnerable to water, and the acids produced further accelerate the breakdown, creating a vicious cycle. Second, the environment. If your car is left in damp environments, with repeated rain and UV exposure, the TPU eventually decomposes into goo, sticking stubbornly to the paint. So how do we avoid hydrolysis? The most important step: choose the right material. Go for Aliphatic polycaprolactone TPU. It's much more resistant to hydrolysis, costs more, but lasts far longer. In daily use, here are 3 small tips. Keep the car dry, especially avoid parking long-term in damp areas. Regularly check for standing water. Clean and treat the PPF with proper care products. These details can significantly extend its lifespan. If you're worried about PPF hydrolysis and not sure which material to choose, reach out to us anytime. We can help tailor the best plan for your car and climate so your PPF stays durable and worry-free.